role play is really powerful. I think it hits home, it gets the message home, and it gets people talking more than just looking at words on a PowerPoint or somebody talking at you, rather than trying to present a real life scenario that is relevant and actually happens day in, day out, because people can just connect to it a little bit more.
Sometimes you go into these kind of workshops and they tend to be quite, someone's just talking to you, someone's just telling you information and you just gotta believe it, but it's very believable, it's very engaging, you're bought into it. Just giving you that real life example makes it easier to relate to, I guess, as well. You can adapt it to situations that you may have had as well.
The use of actors can bring to life a real case scenario, which is incredibly effective. The use of start and stop throughout the scene is really helpful in that we invite participants to comment on how it's going, what they would do in that situation, so it's real life learning for us.
To get his arterial blood gas done because the SHO couldn't get a sample.
Oh, who was on call last night?
I think it was Dr. Uma.
The use of actors within the training to really provoke conversations, get more into the heart of people, to really understand the impact of the little things that can be said or done that impact upon someone's sense of belonging at the business.
I really feel like I've earned the right to take some time off to start a family.
Okay, I get that. But you have to understand that I cannot put everything on hold because you've chosen to have a baby.
I felt the part that was most impactful was the Q&A session. Thought that it really brought to life the character and allowed all of the delegates to interact with the character.
Using actors over traditional PowerPoint I felt was brilliant. It was really engaging.
It's a really memorable experience, and I've talked about it so much with my colleagues since, and it'll really stay with me.